Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about December global holidays. Check complete list of all December holidays 2020 here. And what is this? Brief description I will tell about. Let us talk about December global holidays. The year is almost and over as we enter the last month. December global holidays are the one that people used to search, and also during December global holidays people catch up with families and get ready to welcome the new year. So knowing December global holidays can help you make plans easily. The December global festivities include Hanukkah, Yule and much more. This has been a year to forget due to the pandemic, so people are looking forward to December global holidays to end the year on a high. This article will provide you with all the information on December global holidays, December global festivities, religious holidays in December 2020. Now we are talking about December global holidays. December, the last month of the year, is accompanied by a festive mood and happiness. Many religions and countries have several important events happening in December. So people want to know about the December global holidays. The entire list of December global holidays along with the religious holidays in December are listed below. Starting from the 1st December till 31st December, there is a number of holidays according to the December global holidays list. 1st December is considered as a national day in the United Arab Emirates, and on 4th December it is considered as a Father Day in Ghana. Likewise, there are many December global holidays in the upcoming days. So let's have a look at the list of December global holidays here. December global holidays 25th December. Most of the countries in the world will be celebrating Christmas on 25th December. Yeah. Kwanzaa, rooted in African history. December global holidays 26th December. Kwanzaa is observed by many individuals in both America and around the world. Kwanzaa, first celebrated in 1966, is a 7-day holiday with one of the Nguzo Saba or 7 African heritage principles highlighted every day. December global holidays 29th December. Boxing Day is a long-standing holiday with two different definitions of boxing, usually in parts of the globe inspired by England. In a more recent tradition to celebrate their good work of the past year, some of the employees will give the workers a Christmas box on Boxing Day. December global holidays 31st December. Everyone will celebrate New Year's evening on 31st December. December global holiday list. 1st December, United Arab Emirates National Day. 4th December, Ghana Farmers Day. 6th December, Finland Independence Day on Spain. 7th December, Thailand King Bhumibola's birthday. 10th December, Thailand Constitution Day. 12th December, Mexico, the Day of the Virgin of Gratpla. December 13, Malta Republic Day. December 16, Bangladesh Victory Day. December 18th, Qatar National Day. December 24th, Christmas Evening, Libya. December 25th, Christmas Day. December 26th, various countries Boxing Day. December 29th, Sri Lanka undergo full moon poya. 13th, Philippines Result Day. And 31st December, various countries New Year's evening. For many religions, December is an important month. Many significant events are marked in December, and there are different customs for welcoming the new year. Here are some of the religious holidays in December: Hanukkah, Yule, Christmas, Kwanzaa, Omisaka. These all are the festivals on December. So now we are talking about December global festivities. As we celebrate Christmas this month, Google Doodle marks various December global festivities like Hanukkah, which is celebrated on December 10th to 18th. Yule, 21st December to 1st January. The December global festivities listed below will be celebrated in the month of December. people around the world are excited to celebrate Christmas in a different way this year. The different December global festivities according to this date is given here. So just have a look and celebrate each December global festivities with your family, friends and loved ones. Hope you like this video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.